Hello everyone, myself Anukrit and my team members' names include Shardul and Shashwat. And in this video, we'll walk through a full multi-touch attribution analysis using Python to understand how different marketing channels contribute to customer conversions. So it's our data science project. So first of all, let me tell you about our data set. Our data set consists of over thousands of users and which is including 2,900 of touch points. So here's our data set. So each user has different touch point like search, social, and video, etc. So we'll be analyzing basis on this data set. So let me tell you about our different touch models or touch attribution models. So first is first touch, last touch, linear attribution, U-shape, data-driven, and random forest attribution. These two are ML models. So first, let's import the necessary libraries for the same. So here I'm putting the libraries, and now we are importing the data set. So here's my sample data set like user ID, touch point, timestamp, like at what time it accessed that touch point. Now it's converted or not. It's a conversion, not data pre-processing. Like we are filling the missing values and all. Like we are kind of processing the data. Like since my data set is all right or all good to go, so here are no missing values. And so here's a data set like user ID one as touchpoint source, timestamp, conversion, touchpoint position and all. So here's a journey. So let's share about you the summary of my whole data set. So with this EDA, I'm telling you about with these functions and all, I'm telling about the data set summary. So as I said, I have about thousands of users and about 2,100 of touch points, in which thousands of touch points include are of search only, like major channel of like for the marketing channels, the major touch points of search, which contribute over 40%, and next to social, email, display, affiliate video, and all. So search contribute about 34%, social about 20%, and so on. So the summary of the data set is like every touch point for a user are four, like 3.6 or 4. So is a conversion summary. 194 users have been converted, like 19% of the users have been converted to a full-time consumers. So this is a chart for the same. Now we are extracting the useful features for our ML models, which are namely linear foundation, linear regression. So like now this is about implementing our attribution models. So first our model includes a first touch attribution model. So it gives weightage, 100% weightage to the first touch point. Like for example, say Amazon.com website is listed, and first user search knew the info about the website from Google search. Then like say he received an email of the same website and he searched a video on social for the same. But since the user received proceed about the website from the search tab only, so we'll give the 100% weight to the first touch point only. So contribution of search will be 100% and rest all the touch points will be verified. So in the first touch model, we are giving 100% weightage to the first touch point. Okay. And for the last attribution, we are giving the weightage 100% weightage to the last touch point. Like for example, same for the same Amazon.com. For the you search for the website, then saw a video and then saw email. So since the last connection of the users from the website, from the main website, say Amazon, is via email. So we'll give the 100% weightage to email itself. So it's about the last attribution. Now, linear attribution, like it's giving equal weightage to all the touch points of the journey. Like for example, for the same Amazon.com, users serve from the search to email to affiliate to video. So we are giving equal weightage to all the touch points here. And for the user attribution, it's giving 40% credit to the first touch point, 40 to the last, and 20% of weightage distributed among the middle touch points. So it's all this is how implemented. Now we are training our machine learning models for the same. We are using LR for the simple and linear relations and random forest for the complex relations. Both are training on the both are tested on 20% data set, like they are trained on 80% of data set. So these are models. Now basically we are comparing all the machine ML models are compared here. So this is the first touch model, last touch model, linear model, U-shaped model, data-driven models, and random forest. So for the first, this all search, social, display, email, video, play, these all are six touch points. So for the first touch model, search contribute 32% for the first touch, and for the social, the first will contribute about 21%, and so on. Similarly, for the last touch, search is dominant. And now we'll visualize the data. So these are pie chart for the corresponding models: U-shaped, data-driven, random forest, social, display, and email. So from this, we can understand like first, last, linear, U-shaped models consistently favor the search, social, and emails, as you can see from here. And similarly, data-driven models and like random forest models, they basically uh, focuses on boosting display, video, and affiliate. So here's a quick summary for the same. Now there's a pie chart representation for the same, and here's a heat map. So that's all for our project. Thank you all for watching.